Hey guys, as some of you already know, I'm not only new at body painting, but I do not have any talent whatsoever in drawing or painting on a piece of paper. What I do have though is a lot of passion and a lot of creativity that's just bubbling inside my body and just needs to get out. That's why I want to start a Learn With Me series. Here we can learn to body paint together and maybe also learn some drawing techniques. I think a good way to start learning is to follow tutorials. Madeyewlook is an awesome artist and her body paint tutorials just gives me so much joy to watch. She is also the reason why I started experimenting with body paint. Therefore, I think that it would be perfect to start off this Learn With Me series with one of her tutorials. And I have chosen her Sub-Zero Mortal Kombat tutorial. So we're going to start out drawing the center of the mask using Black Miron Paradise paint, or we can use NYX gel eyeliner. I don't have any of them, but what I do have is Diamond FX black body paint. This does not look good at all. But with the magic of the makeup wipes, I can correct my mistakes, luckily. So the next step is to create the V-shaped vents using NYX black gel liner and Madeyewlook angle brush. Again, I don't have Madeyewlook angle brush or NYX gel liner. So let's go over to the next step, and it's to shade the outer areas of the middle of the mask using Black Miron Paradise paint. I will use Grimace black paint. Then I'm supposed to blend in towards the center, adding Miron Paradise paint in gray next to the black. Well, I don't have gray, but I have Storm Cloud gray Miron Paradise paint. I'm supposed to leave a outline around the vents for now. Then I'm going to add highlights to the center by blending in white Miron Paradise paint, but I have Kryolan aqua color in white. Okay, I'm trying to blend in the white and the gray. And at the same time leaving opening on the vents. I think this is really hard, mostly because I would have done it differently. I would have done the vents and then worked my way from the vents and outwards. That way I didn't have to leave any negative space. Use Miron metallic powder in silver and Miron mixing liquid to outline the vents. Again, I don't have Miron powder, but what I do have is silver aqua color from Kryolan. Create the outer line of your mask using NYX black gel eyeliner. The easiest way is to do this is to turn your head and just let the brush glide. I am so scared right now. She makes it look so easy. taking my angle brush, taking my Diamond FX paint, because I have no clue how I'm going to do this as elegant as she does, and just turn my head. No. Fill in your mask using MAC Chroma Cake in blue, as well as the Madeyewlook foundation brush. Okay, so I don't have MAC Chroma Cake, but I have Mirror Paradise paint in blue. And highlight the cheekbones. Then add a little extra white in the center and do not blend heavily. Use NYX black gel liner and the Madeyewlook angle brush to create the second set of the round vents on both of the sides. Trying to draw something round. Oh my god, this is going to go so bad. Shade the outer side of the circle, blending it into light blue eyeshadow. Instead of the light blue eyeshadow, I will use Grimace light blue. Use the NYX white retractable eyeliner to create an additional split highlight. Contour your cheeks using the dark blue eyeshadow, as well as Madeyewlook fluffy eyeshadow brush. Again, I don't have Madeyewlook brushes. Once again, turn your head and let the brush glide to create the top. Using the Madeyewlook foundation brush and black Mirror Paradise paint, fill in the sides of the upper part of the mask. Blend gray Mirror Paradise paint, oh yes, towards the center. Blend in white to finish off the highlight. For our lovely eyeballs, apply Urban Decay Primer Potion. Using the Madeyewlook fluffy shadow brush, apply white shadow under your brow, as well as the corner of your eye. Apply light blue shadow in the crease and blend high with the curves of your eyebrow. Using Madeyewlook smudge brush, apply NYX gel eyeliner to your entire lid. Next up is to create his scar. And yeah, when I was putting on the mascara, I got some mascara on my eyebrow. And then fill in the eyebrows. And I want to use aqua paint for doing that. Oh yeah, say hello to the adopted sisters. This is the final look. For me, it looks like Madeyewlook only used 20 minutes on her tutorial. I used 4 hours. I'm an awful slow painter,
mostly because I'm second guessing every move I make. The first thing I'm going to work on is to make cleaner lines. So next week the Learn With Me will be about drawing better lines.